What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Brita K, and this is gonna be a short recap. As you can see, I accidentally won this trade. The way I accidentally won is because I was looking at it the wrong way. I was on the daily, right? And this is Euro USD. I'm starting to love this pair, but let's take some of this stuff off so you can see. I saw that it came to this fair value gap right here, this daily fair value gap, and I also saw that we were overall bearish on the daily. So it came to this fair value gap and it started to retrace. Well, I was thinking that it would come to this fair value gap that wasn't even made already. This was not made, but I set it as a target. And then I went down to the 15-minute, and so I went to the 15-minute and I waited for a nice pretty rejection of a fair value gap, and sure enough, this was a rejection right here. This candle, this was a rejection, but it wasn't pretty enough, so I entered on this one, this fair value gap, and I entered before it closed all the way. And so I was targeting this fair value gap right here, but it wasn't even made yet. Honestly, this is what, let me show y'all how my trade actually looked. So I actually won this much and I got out because I realized at that time that this fair value gap wasn't even made yet. So I got out, I chickened out, but I see I could have held it, but I wouldn't have been very confident. I got out at this order block. I shouldn't have paid attention to it though. But we all learned. I won 310 for the day, so it's all good. Win's a win. So yeah, that was a quick trade recap. That's all I did. So we gonna see if this continues to work. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Peace out.